Hello, this is Didi Uzun, and today I'm going to show you my 8th assignment in computer applications lesson. I already created it because it was quite hard and I did so many testing while developing it, so I'm just gonna present done version. So let's start. This is the app's designer part. First, I add a canvas, each and in the canvas I add a image spread, three of them. It was saying in the let me check again. It was saying add 2 or 4 balls. I added 3 and then add a horizontal arrangement here, and I added 2 labels as score, and second label I deleted the text and it will show the score after you put the ball into the basket. Then I added table arrangement. You can't see all of the buttons here, but it shows in the phone. The first button is reset balls. It emerges balls again, and second one is resetting score, and third one is making game harder, and fourth one is making game easier. It changes the ball's speed, and I think that's not, yeah. And I added a clock, then uploaded the ball and playground file and changed the background image of canvas to playground, and each image spread to ball. And I set time interval as a 1000. I think it's 1 second. So let's go to the blocks part. It's quite messy, but I initialized totally 2, 4, 6, 7 global names. I will explain each of them later. First one is initialize global score, and I set global score to 0. So I started with adding clock timer. When clock timer starts, it should check if image spread 1, 2, and 3 is equals to true. If it's equal to true, it will call image spread to and move it from a random integer from 0 to x is 0 to 295, and y to 0 to 270. It moves in a random place in the screen, and I set it label 2, which is this part, right next to score, as a global score. Then I did same thing for both image spreads, so I think if I explain just one of them, it's enough. Let's look at this. In image, when image spread 1 or 2 or 3 direct, it calls image spread move to, and it sets its x and y according to current x and y, which means where is my it looks where is my thumb is. So then it sets and I added for each image spread, I named them as A, B, and C, and A A is x and y, and B x and y, C x and y, like that. And A is for image split 1, B is for 2, and C is for 3. Then it moves to image split to current x and y, and sets global x and ay to current x and y. And then it checks if global ax is between 195 to 187, which is I looked that from the app while testing, which is exactly the basket location. Yeah. And after it checks x's, it checks y's, and it again looks if global y ay is between 48 and 38. Then if both of them are in these x and y's, it sets image split enable and visible to false, both of them, so it disappears, and sets global score to global score plus 1. So I did the same for 2 and 3, and I just changed the set global bx by and global cx cy, like that. It have some same numbers because it's the same basket, and again it sets global score plus 1. And here are the buttons that I added. In the first button, it resets the balls, like for example, if you already basket them and they were disabled and invisible, and click if you click button 1, which is a reset balls button, it again enables and make visible to all of the image splits, 3 of them. And button 2 sets global score 0 again, so it's for resetting the score. Button 3 changes clock time interval to divides to 2, and button 4 multiplies with 2, which in button 3 it makes ball go faster, and in button 4 it makes balls go slower. So let's try the app. Here, as you can see, balls are moving randomly, and we have score 0 and we have 4 of the buttons. So let's try to get a basket. And I couldn't. Let me just direct it. I have a ball right under my toe, so I think I did it. Yes, score 1, and let's do score 2 and 3. Yes, I scored the second one. It was quite hard because I really selected real small area to be successful. Yeah, I scored 3 of them, and I can't show. Yeah. Oh, not easy. Yeah. When you click reset balls, it again starts to show them, and if you click easier. Let's show harder first. Yeah, it goes like that. And if you make it easier, yeah, they slowly go like that. So we can, after resetting the balls, we can still make scores. Like as you can see, there are 2 balls left because I scored another one, which becomes 4. And when you reset the score, click the reset score, it resets the score, but it not change the balls, so you should reset balls again. Like that, it's working. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next assignment.